Greetings, people. This is Phil Chenevert with Why Do We Say That? Today is Kit and Kabottle. Heard that word a few days ago and wrote it on my list to say I want to do this. Kit and Kabottle. I'm tired of the whole kit and caboodle of you. Meaning everything it's like the whole mess, everything included. Um, it's, let's start with Kit. Well, boodle. We'll start with boodle because it's two words. It's the Dutch bodel. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bodel, meaning effects. A person's effects, the things that they have, everything they've got. Um, so a bodel, that was a Dutch thing, and the word kit. Uh, Thieves kept their tools that they used to break into houses and stores and warehouses in a kit. Now, and of course, uh, you don't know this, but I'm going to tell you. Pirates, you ever heard of a pirate's booty? Well, the same word comes from that, the effects, the things that they take from other ships. The booty or the boodle came to mean everything that you're taking. So, when a thief would break into a house and make a clean sweep, get everything, it was they referred to I got away with the whole kit and caboodle. My kit, everything I had brought in with me, and I took everything in the house. Kit and caboodle. So, and that word gradually came to mean, we generalized it to mean everything that we have. So, when you do something to the kit and caboodle, note that it has somewhat of a not quite nice background, but you can use it because I give you permission. Now, time for a commercial. Yes, this video is brought to you by Phil, me. I'm making wire name necklaces. See this? This is a sample of one. I think it says Elizabeth or something. I can make one and ship it to you. You tell me your name. Text me. Say, Phil, I'd like to have it with our name. I'll make it and mail it to you. $15. Not, very reasonable. I just enjoy doing things like that. And I get to meet more people. So look in the description for whatever you need. Phil Chenevert, use the whole kit. I'll send you the whole kit and caboodle. Comes with a chain, non-tarnishable, silver-plated. It ain't gonna, no, what is it? It's not gonna cause allergies or rashes, and whatever. And I'll spell your name right if you give it to me right. Thank you very much. This is Phil. I'm out.